Question 1. The property of a material by which it can be drawn into thin wires is called. The correct answer is ductility. Question 2. The property of a material by which it can be beaten into thin sheets is called. The correct answer is malleability. Question 3. The area under the stress-strain curve up to the elastic limit represents. The correct answer is modulus of resilience. Question 4. The unit of modulus of elasticity, E, is the same as that of. The correct answer is stress. Question 5. For a perfectly rigid body, Young's modulus is. The correct answer is infinity. Question 6. The value of Poisson's ratio for steel is approximately. The correct answer is 0.25 to 0.33. Question 7. Volumetric strain of a rectangular bar subjected to axial load P is given by E equals longitudinal strain. The correct answer is E 1 to 2 mu. Question 8. The bulk modulus K is defined as. The correct answer is direct stress divided by volumetric strain. Question 9. During a tensile test on a ductile material, cup and cone, fracture occurs at an angle of. The correct answer is 45 degrees. Question 10. Percentage elongation is a measure of. The correct answer is ductility. Question 11. If a material exhibits the same elastic properties in all directions at a point, it is. The correct answer is isotropic. Question 12. The stress at which extension of a material takes place more quickly as compared to the increase in load is called. The correct answer is yield point. Question 13. Change in length due to temperature rise T in a bar of length L is. The correct answer is L alpha T. Question 14. Thermal stress is induced in a body only if. The correct answer is expansion is restrained divided by prevented. Question 15. A bar of variable cross-section is subjected to axial load P. The total elongation is. The correct answer is P divided by E asterisk sigma, Li divided by I. Question 16. Elongation of a tapered circular bar of diameter d1 and d2 and length L under load P is. The correct answer is 4 petaliters divided by pi e d1 d2. Question 17. Strain energy stored in a bar of volume 5 subjected to stress F is. The correct answer is F squared V divided by 2E. Question 18. Proof resilience is the maximum strain energy stored at. The correct answer is elastic limit. Question 19. Impact load factor is generally taken as. The correct answer is 2. Question 20. The relation between E and C modulus of rigidity is. The correct answer is E equals 2C 1 plus mu. Question 21. A beam supported on a hinge at one end and a roller at the other is called. The correct answer is simply supported beam. Question 22. The bending moment diagram for a simply supported beam carrying a central point load is. The correct answer is triangle. Question 23. The bending moment diagram for a simply supported beam carrying a UDL is. The correct answer is parabola. Question 24. For a cantilever beam of length L carrying a moment m at the free end, the shear force is. The correct answer is 0. Question 25. For a cantilever beam of length L carrying a moment m at the free end, the bending moment is. The correct answer is constant equal to m. Question 26. Point of contraflexure occurs in. The correct answer is overhanging beams. Question 27. The maximum bending moment for a simply supported beam of span L with UDLW is. The correct answer is WL squared divided by 8. Question 28. The neutral axis of a beam cross-section passes through. The correct answer is centroid of the section. Question 29. Bending stress is. The correct answer is directly proportional to distance from neutral axis. Question 30. At the neutral axis, the bending stress is. The correct answer is 0. Question 31. Moment of resistance of a beam is equal to. The correct answer is bending moment applied. Question 32. The ratio of moment of inertia I to the distance of extreme fiber y is called. The correct answer is section modulus. Question 33. Section modulus for a hollow rectangular section outer B, D, inner B, D is. The correct answer is BD cubed minus BD cubed divided by 6D. Question 34. Beams of uniform strength have constant. The correct answer is maximum bending stress. Question 35. Flitched beams are used to. The correct answer is increase the strength. Question 36. The variation of shear stress in a rectangular beam section is. The correct answer is parabolic. Question 37. In an I section, the maximum shear stress is borne by. The correct answer is web. Question 38. The ratio of maximum shear stress to average shear stress for a rectangular section is. The correct answer is 1.5. Question 39. The ratio of maximum shear stress to average shear stress for a circular section is. The correct answer is 4 divided by 3. Question 40. Shear center is the point through which if the load passes, the section will not be subjected to. The correct answer is twisting, torsion. Question 41. For a shaft, the torsional rigidity is given by. The correct answer is GJ. Question 42. In a solid shaft under torsion, the shear stress is maximum at. The correct answer is the outer surface. Question 43. The angle of twist is directly proportional to. The correct answer is twisting moment. Question 44. Two shafts in series carry the same. The correct answer is torque. Question 45. Two shafts in parallel experience the same. The correct answer is twist, rotation. Question 46. Strength of a hollow shaft is blank, a solid shaft of the same weight. The correct answer is more than. Question 47. Slope and deflection of a beam can be determined by. The correct answer is all of the above. Question 48. The second theorem of moment area method gives. The correct answer is deflection intercept. Question 49. Conjugate beam method is useful for. The correct answer is determining slope and deflection of beams with varying A. Question 50. In a conjugate beam, the loading is given by. The correct answer is M divided by A diagram. Question 51. Shear force in a conjugate beam corresponds to. The correct answer is slope in real beam. Question 52. Bending moment in a conjugate beam corresponds to. The correct answer is deflection in real beam. Question 53. A column fails by crushing if it is. The correct answer is short. Question 54. A column fails by buckling if it is. The correct answer is long. Question 55. Effective length of a column hinged at both ends is. The correct answer is L. Question 56. Slenderness ratio is defined as. The correct answer is effective length divided by least radius of gyration. Question 57. Euler's buckling load is inversely proportional to. The correct answer is square of effective length. Question 58. Rankine-Gordon formula accounts for. The correct answer is both direct and buckling stresses. Question 59. A cylinder is considered thin if diameter to thickness ratio d divided by t is. The correct answer is greater than 20. Question 60. In a thin spherical shell subjected to internal pressure P, the hoop stress is. The correct answer is Pd divided by 4t. Question 61. In a thin cylinder, longitudinal stress is blank of hoop stress. The correct answer is half. Question 62. Maximum shear stress in a thin cylinder is given by. The correct answer is hoop longitudinal divided by 2. Question 63. Lame's theory for thick cylinders assumes. The correct answer is all of the above. Question 64. Auto-frettage is a method used to. The correct answer is increase strength of thick cylinders. Question 65. A spring is a device used to store. The correct answer is strain energy. Question 66. Stiffness of a spring constant K is. The correct answer is W divided by delta. Question 67. In a close-coiled helical spring subjected to axial load, the wire is subjected to. The correct answer is torsion only. Question 68. The deflection of a close-coiled helical spring of diameter d, wire diameter d, n turns under load W is. The correct answer is 8 Wd³ n divided by Gd to the power of 4. Question 69. Leaf springs, carriage springs are essentially. The correct answer is beams of uniform strength. Question 70. Principal planes are planes on which shear stress is. The correct answer is 0. Question 71. The maximum shear stress occurs on planes inclined at blank to the principal planes. The correct answer is 45 degrees. Question 72. Major principal stress sigma 1 is given by. The correct answer is sigma x plus sigma y divided by 2 plus square root sigma x sigma y divided by 2 squared plus tau squared. Question 73. Mohr's circle is a graphical method to find. The correct answer is stresses on oblique sections. Question 74. The radius of Mohr's circle represents. The correct answer is maximum shear stress. Question 75. Strain rosette is used to measure. The correct answer is strains in 3 directions. Question 76. Maximum principal stress theory is attributed to. The correct answer is Rankine. Question 77. Maximum shear stress theory Tresca is suitable for. The correct answer is ductile materials. Question 78. Maximum principal strain theory is attributed to. The correct answer is Street, Venant. Question 79. Total strain energy theory Hayes is based on. The correct answer is energy stored per unit volume. Question 80. Shear strain energy theory, distortion energy, is also called. The correct answer is von Mises-Henke theory. Question 81. The limit of eccentricity for no tension in a circular section of diameter d is. The correct answer is d divided by 8. Question 82. The limit of eccentricity for no tension in a rectangular section, width b, depth d along depth is. The correct answer is d divided by 6. Question 83. Creep is the property by which material deforms under. The correct answer is sustained load over time. Question 84. Fatigue failure occurs due to. The correct answer is fluctuating divided by cyclic load. Question 85. Endurance limit is associated with. The correct answer is fatigue. Question 86. Stress concentration factor is the ratio of. The correct answer is max stress to average stress. Question 87. Wall's correction factor is used in the design of. The correct answer is helical springs. Question 88. The deflection at the center of a simply supported beam with central load W is. The correct answer is WL cubed divided by 48 EI. Question 89. The unit of strain energy is. The correct answer is Newton meter joule. Question 90. Castigliano's theorem is valid for. The correct answer is linear elastic structures. Question 91. If a shaft of diameter d is replaced by a hollow shaft of external dia d and internal dia d divided by 2, the strength. The correct answer is decreases. Question 92. Resilience is maximum in a bar when. The correct answer is it is stressed to elastic limit. Question 93. The point of zero shear force in a beam carrying UDL is where bending moment is. The correct answer is maximum. Question 94. Rivets are generally specified by. The correct answer is shank diameter. Question 95. Efficiency of a riveted joint is the ratio of. The correct answer is strength of joint to strength of solid plate. Question 96. Tearing efficiency of a riveted joint is P equals pitch, D equals hole dia. The correct answer is PD divided by P. Question 97. In a fillet weld, the weakest section is the. The correct answer is throat. Question 98. Effective throat thickness of a fillet weld is K equals 0.7 for 90 deg. The correct answer is K asterisk size of weld. Question 99. A strut is a member carrying. The correct answer is compressive load. Question 100. The stress corresponding to the point of intersection of the stress-strain curve and a line parallel to the elastic line at a given offset is. The correct answer is proof stress.